Unveiling Pyramid Engineering.
The Egyptian pyramids are masterpieces of ancient engineering. For centuries, people have marveled at how massive stone monuments like the Great Pyramid of Giza were constructed without modern technology. Recent discoveries are revealing the remarkable skills, organization, and ingenuity the ancient Egyptians brought to this immense task.
Masterful use of simple tools.
Contrary to popular myths, the Egyptians did not rely on mysterious or lost technology. Instead, they used copper chisels, wooden sledges, and levers to quarry and shape millions of limestone and granite blocks. Surprisingly precise measurements were achieved using string, plumb bobs, and set squares, showing an advanced understanding of geometry.
Ingenious transport solutions.
Workers likely used sledges to drag stone blocks across the desert, wetting the sand to reduce friction based on paintings found in ancient tombs. Some evidence also points to specially constructed canals and ramps, making it more efficient to move blocks from quarries to the building site.
Ramps, the key to building height.
How did they lift stones so high? Archaeologists believe ramps were essential. Straight, zigzagging, and spiral ramps could have been constructed from mud brick and limestone debris. These ramps allowed workers to haul blocks to higher levels as the pyramid grew, adjusting the ramp's design to fit each construction stage.
Organized labor and planning.
Building a pyramid wasn't just about tools. It required careful planning and a huge, well-organized workforce. Recent evidence shows that skilled laborers working in rotating crews were housed in nearby villages. Careful coordination, food supply, and medical care were all crucial to the ambitious pyramid projects.
Legacy of Ingenuity.
The secrets of pyramid construction remind us of ancient Egypt's ingenuity. By mastering basic tools, inventing clever solutions, and organizing massive labor forces, they achieved feats that continue to inspire wonder today. Their legacy is a testament to human creativity and determination.